Hari Om. So now we have been seeing this for almost quite some time, isn't it? And we have come to the culmination of this Siddhaprajna Lakshanas, where the last verse goes like this. Yesha Brahme Sthite Partha Nainam Prapya Vimuhyati Sthitva Mantra Brahma Nirvana Muchyate. The meaning of this, again, I'll try to put it in a different style. It says, O Partha, this Brahmic state attaining, none is bewildered. Being established in it, even at the death hour, a man gets into oneness with Brahman. Confirmation given by the Lord. How things happen is just like a dream. In a dream, we have so many objects coming up, surfacing on the mind, which are not real. And all those objects exist as long as a dreamer is dreaming. His life is only that short. Once he wakes up, boom, the dream is gone. Similarly, the pleasures and pain are experienced by us once we realize that fourth state of Turiya or the fourth state of consciousness and realize that we are not the body, then everything disappears. Boom, it goes. Now, where did the objects of the dream go? The $1,000,000 question. Once I wake up, where did all that world of the dream go? It got dissolved in my own mind. And once, what are the after effects? Once I wake up from the dream state, we have rejected everything as an illusion. Similarly, once a man realizes the true self, the whole world is automatically rejected. There's nothing doing. It happens. What did we do to kick off the dream world in the wakeful state? They don't exist together. When I come to the wakeful state, the dream state doesn't exist. Similarly, once we realize this doesn't exist. Swamiji, it's all contradiction, a lot of confusion. Yesterday you said that even after realization, the man will be like this, nothing gets affected. Now you say it gets vanished as a dream vanished, so we're in a new world. The dream world is different, the wakeful world is different. Yes, my dear friend, the wakeful world is different from the dream world. But do you have any feelings of the dream? In dream, you were having your family, your enterprise, that, this and all, having woken up, and as a dream has gone, do you have anything? In my dream, oh, what happened to that girl? What happened to this boy? What happened to my children? What happened to my company? Do you think of it? The dream world is real as long as we are dreaming. Similarly, this carnal world is real as long as we realize. Once you realize, this becomes a dream. Nothing to worry about. Is one state of understanding. Yes, other thing is, yes, at the pure consciousness level, you will be here, you will be seeing, you will be doing, but you are unattached, mind is pure, mind is uncontaminated, mind is not deluded, no afflictions, no attachments, no hatreds, no joy. All these adjectives are there. So that Aparoksha Anubhuti is of highest importance. Brahma Nirvana. That we should aim for. And the actions and all, there is nothing that we do actually to drop. It drops. For example, as we grew right from childhood, how did one by one we drop off? Either the habits or the likes and all. Are we the same? As a child, we used to drink in bottles. And how did we come out of the bottle, come to the tumbler and other things? In the younger days, we used to play with certain dolls, gills and all. Now do we play with balloons and dolls and all? Hmm. Yes, the moment you get a balloon, yes, you may play with the balloon for the fun of it. Or if you have youngsters at home with them, you may play with the balloon. Yes, and with the balloon burst, you don't cry because you know the reality of it. Yes, the child cries, but you don't. Of course, along with child, even you cry. You pretend, oh, balloon was going. Okay, we'll buy one more. No, that, yes. Natak, as we say, it happens. So as the droppings doesn't require any effort, it happens automatically with maturity. In other words, when a girl is married and goes to the in-laws house, you know, slowly one by one, one by one responsibilities are given to the daughter-in-law, right? And yes, initially first few days, honeymoon period, the daughter-in-law is not troubled, is not given any work. All that she does is happily stay with husband, make him happy. And slowly one by one responsibility comes to the peak. And this daughter-in-law enters into the family way. Then what does the mother-in-law do? Slowly the mother-in-law starts to reduce the responsibilities. After the delivery, what happens? Slowly again she resumes. Again with that she has to take care of the child and all. Isn't it? The works here have slowly been reduced. Similarly is the state. As we realize, you know, these worldly things, they fall off. We get more time and we try to spend more time on the Jnana path or Bhakti path or selfless activity. As a woman after the pregnancy, her more attention is on the child, the newborn. Similarly here, you know, automatically the rest of the works takes a second fiddle. And our main thing will be happening naturally, that is steadily abandoning work and constantly to be in communion with the God. It happens as a natural process. Nothing to worry about. All that we are supposed to remember is we are the spirit. Generally we think I am the body and I have a spirit. It's wrong. We are the spirit. I am the soul. And I have a body to experience. We have come here to experience certain things. So for that, body is required. But actually, I am not the body, but I am the spirit. This should get fixed in the mind. With this, we conclude This is the Prajna Lakshana. Om iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishnarjuna Samvade Sankhya Yogo Nama Dvitiyodhyayaha Sthita Prajna Lakshanaha Sampurnam. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। हरि ओम्।